Duke, you want to help me open some packs? Gonna bring us some luck. Yeah? What's this? So, hi guys, this is the Ethereal Luxray, and then my dog Duke, and we'll see if he can bring us some luck and some, opening some Pokemon packs. This might be a short video, because it feels like there's not very many cards in these, but we'll see if we can get something good. And you might hear some birds in the background, so sorry about that. Duke. Hey, Duke. Which one? Which one should we open? That one? Okay. So Duke says open this one first. The Sword and Shield VMAX. And let me see if I can get him back in video again. There we go. So yeah, Duke says open this one first. So let's see what we get. If I can get this open. These are always harder to open for some reason. Duke, help me. There we go. There we go, Duke. So I don't think I'm gonna do the card trick on this. Maybe, I don't know, I think it's just one. So, not sure what this is. Some kind of stadium, maybe. Caterpie, Doublade, Toxel, and a Toxtricity. Kind of funny that one came after the other. So, and then we got what I think is Unified Minds Tag Team GX. Let's see what we get in this one. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier to open than the last one. Duke, what are you doing? So guys, this is actually my first video of opening packs. So leave a comment on what you think I should be doing, because I want to be doing this more. Yeah, so yeah, this is my first time opening packs on YouTube. Let's see. Did I already do? I didn't do one pack from the back. Oh well. So yeah, I do want to do this more in the future. It might help in my autism a little bit, like my enunciation, and just getting into the Pokemon community. So please leave a comment on what you think I should be doing, what I can do to improve. I am not a professional. It's because right now I just got a phone on my tripod, and I just got all these animals going on. So if you like this video, please leave us a like, and yeah, comment is see if you want to see more videos after this one. I think that's about it. I know it's a short video, but who knows? Maybe I can make more videos in the future. Well, I think that's it. Okay. Bye. Say goodbye, Duke.